Hello, this is George and welcome. We are going to look at Local Agency Box. We're going to give it a review. We're going to go over some bonuses, which I got to tell you, I got a special one in there for you, and then we're going to go through and see what it looks like on the inside. So let's go ahead and jump right in. So right here, we've got the sales page. It's a kind of a preview for me when I'm making this recording. And I've had an agency before, which probably this looks like a great software. And if you are looking to help out businesses like brick and mortar businesses or businesses that might have been affected by the COVID, let's say like a restaurant where everyone's on lockdown, these restaurants are just dying for customers. So this is something that you could have an agency and deliver done for you products for like a restaurant, for like a gym, for a beauty spa, anything like that, anything that might have gotten hurt because people are staying home. Imagine this COVID thing coming out, and I don't want to get too much into that, but the backyard, the barbecues, and all the home stuff has boomed because people are staying home. And now that this COVID is kind of tapered off, maybe let's just say it is not, but those businesses they need customers, and it's up to you. And there is a lot of money, there's a lot of opportunity. This local agency box is going to give you everything you need to deliver to those brick and mortar businesses, or even if they're an online business, you can deliver to them all the marketing things that they need in order to get going. Video marketing agency like videos, how to. I'm making a video right now, how to use this software. What is it? What do you got to do? And if you do it, can you make some money? Content marketing agency. These are all things that those brick and mortar businesses that they need. And this mobile app agency, this is all your stuff. This is what you can have to help yourself market to them. They give you websites which are ready to go. There's sales letters, there's phone solicitation, there's email drips. It's all here. Telemarketing scripts, web banners, Google ads, Facebook ads, attorney contracts. There is a lot of stuff in here. So I know you probably saw the sales page. This you're watching on YouTube, which is a review. There is a link down below that's going to go to a bonus offer. I'm going to show you what this bonus offer in this review is right now. This is my insane bundle box from George here. And again, this is for done for you, ready to go agency. Now, this bonus page, if you're watching the YouTube, if you click on that link, you'll get to this bonus page. When you get here, you can click on one of these orange boxes and you will go to get this product if you want it, and then you'll get your bonuses when you check out. So again, what's this agency all about? You're going to be helping other online and offline both businesses sell. It's $500 to $10,000 per client, maybe not per month, but this is a good thing, man. I did this with dentists. Comes with 10 done for you agency kits, editable ready-to-made templates. Okay, right now these businesses out there, they lack strong online presence, and you can help them with that. You are a marketer. Okay, you can build consistent brand consistency for them and build trust. There's done for you websites for you to market to them, email swipes so you can follow up with your leads, ads, banners. We went through all that. Who should use agency in a box? Okay, well, of course, marketers, agencies, freelancers, but these are your customers, coaches. Is there a personal coach? Is there life coaches? Anyone that's hands-on that needs some more customers, consultants, e-commerce owners, restaurants. health and fitness, authors, affiliate marketers, and high-ticket product owners. And I'm going to talk to you about high-ticket here in just a second because I've got something special for you. All right, one time of 37 bucks. That will get you in, and you're going to get all these bonuses. Doesn't matter which upsell you decide to take. But if you decide to go with the software bundle, then what you'll be able to do is there are 20 premium apps all bundled in one. So you might be interested in that. That information will be available during the checkout. The local video kit for 37 bucks. What they're giving you here is they're giving you personalized, persuasive video commercials for each agency. So that again, if you're watching this, you're on YouTube, and these videos are they're fantastic. They're very powerful. Upsell number 3 and number 4 here, the agency apps. Now it says $297 and $197, so I think this might be a downsell. All right, and you will have resell rights to 5 software apps, so you'll be able to put your name on this. Now, this next one here, number 4, the local agency box reseller for $97, or an upgrade or downgrade for $197. This doesn't make sense to me. Maybe it's backwards, but you'll see that. Okay, when we get onto that, you'll see that. Some benefits here: done for you website, email swipes, Facebook ad swipes, web banners, telemarketing scripts, and then legal contracts and proposals so you can get some clients. Now, here again, this is 7 minutes, I think, something like that, 7 or 9 minutes. You can go through it. It kind of gives you what's inside, and it's narrated, so you'll be able to hear that. If you like this and you want to grab it, you want to get it from me and get my bonuses, click here and you can get that. Now, the very first bonus. Now, this is what I'm really excited to tell you about here. This is bonus training from the Online Business Addicts. It's worth more than $2,000. You're going to get this included, even if you only get the $37 one, okay? What is this all about? Fast tracking. Well, that's not what I wanted. Fast tracking your online success by working with these coaches every day. So what is all this about? When you start your online business, or when you're in business, maybe you've bought other programs before. Maybe you've bought a lot of programs like I have. And there's statistics that most people, they just don't get to the end where they need it. So these guys right here, these online business addicts, they will take you hands-on. They're coaches. They're very responsible. We're talking within minutes, and they will help you get what you need. So if you click and you get this, go ahead and look into them and get their free offer and get some coaching. And I promise you, you will have not seen anything like this before. And I don't care what business you're in, this is going to make you more money. Bonus number 2, valued at $146.95. This is Bing ads. Why Bing? Because of this COVID, buying ads has gotten really cheap because a lot of these other businesses that are advertising, local businesses, they're out. They're tight. That's why they need your help. And Bing is very, very inexpensive. So go ahead and grab that. Now, another one here valued at $344.95 is how to get 90% off of your AdWords from Bing. So check that out, right? Not only are you going to learn how to use Bing and do their ads, but get 90% off of your AdWords. Now, the next one here for $267, okay, bonus tutorial for insurgency. This is a hack so you can get more sales. This is going to drive traffic. That's what these bonuses are. They're getting people to say yes to your stuff and drive traffic so you can get them to say yes. Bonus number 5 for 97 bucks here. It's a Facebook training masterclass. So increase traffic to your blog or website. It's kind of the same thing. Blogs are websites. So if you like this local business in a box, local agency box, go ahead, and if you want to grab it, go ahead and grab one of these links right here. And this is going to run out here next Tuesday, the 13th of October. And it will be delivered via JVZoo, this one over here on the right. So just go ahead, and when you click the bonus button here on the bottom, you'll get delivered to that. Now, let's go ahead and take a look inside, all right? We'll be right back with this. This is what your website will look like if you decide to get this. This is what you're going to get, okay? Your company logo will go right there, and there's, web design agency, mobile app agency, video app agency, graphic design agency. These are all your agency, and you're done for you. Marketing services, social media, Facebook, restaurant, SEO, messenger bot, content. And of course, you'll expand if you decide to upgrade and all that. So this is going to be your website. It's done for you, and you'll have all the traffic bonuses. You get people to your new website, and people will say, yeah, I want video marketing. Boom, click more. I want social media marketing. Boom, click more. This is the video ad agency. Again, boom. Look at this. It's got all the testimonials in it. It's all done. It's all done. So I don't have what it looks like to build all this for you, but this is what you will end up with. So this is again, this is pretty good. I like it. I ran an agency for a few years. I focused on dentists, and dentists, they want more customers. And I did it using social media. I did it using Facebook marketing. And I wish that I had this tool, because it would have made a bigger difference. So I hope you enjoyed this review. If you decide to get it, go ahead and click on the link down below in the YouTube there. And then we'll get you to the checkout page if you'd like. Give me some credit there. Give me some love. You guys go get some money. Go make some money, and go to Fantastic and make all those other businesses strong and love you. Because I tell you, once you make money for one of these guys, the referral is going to go on and on and on. All right? Guys, have a great day. Bam!